What's up, y'all? So today we got some banana bread. Made this from scratch. So you're gonna get your wet ingredients, brown sugar, your butter, and bananas. You're gonna mash them up. Stir them together real good. And you got some Greek yogurt in there too. Once you stir these together, get them nice and blended. You're gonna get your dry ingredients ready. You know what I mean? Don't forget your vanilla too. I forgot to say that. But you get the gist of what I'm saying here. Alright, boom. So you got your dry. You got cinnamon, cup of flour, and baking soda. It's pretty simple. So you stir those up, put those in a cake pan, throw it in there for 350 on 55 minutes. And then you should get something like that, something real nice. And yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it, man. It's pretty tasty. Hope y'all enjoy.